Alright, welcome back, guys. I know I've been gone for a while. I haven't posted up a video in about a month and a half, and I want to show you why. So a little while back, I went to the gym and just getting my normal routine in, and I come out, get in my car, I leave, drive over to a friend's house, and hang out there for a little bit, and then I go back outside and we're talking outside, and then we realize that something happened and I didn't notice it. So what it was is someone hit my car. Probably can't see it too well, it's so bright out. So basically someone hit my car all the way to the end of the door, all across here. Hopefully you can see this. They scratched up my entire rim here and my back bumper right there. So honestly, this had me pretty angry, pretty upset. Haven't really touched the car. It's kind of just been sitting here. Plus we've had all this lovely snow. So in a couple weeks I'm gonna get this car fixed, and it's gonna cost me about $1,000 to get all this damage fixed. So thankfully I'll get all that fixed. And remember how when I did the intercooler here, I cut out the stock grill, so I didn't do a good job with it. So this is all gonna get fixed now too in the process. So the car will now be in mint condition. And what I'm gonna do is, for you guys, I'm gonna post out two videos. It's cold out there. I'm gonna post out 2 videos for you in coming weeks. I can't really remember off the top of my head right now what those videos are gonna be, because I kind of just decided to make this one on a whim. But for those of you who have still stuck around the channel, follow me on Instagram and everything, I appreciate that. So with that bad news out of the way, I will catch you on the next one this week.